To get this cornrow bun style correctly, what you want to do is to section your hair into 4 different portions. In sectioning your hair into 4 different portions, you want to ensure that the front part is actually more than the back part. That is, the 2 at the front that you are sectioning should be more than the 2 at the back that you are going to be sectioning, if that makes sense. But you ensure that the midpoint is actually at the middle. The midpoint should be at the middle while doing that. So you draw from your forehead down to your neck region and then from ear to ear, if that makes sense. If you are seeing my video for the first time, please do want to subscribe if you like my content. Turn on your post notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video, so you'll be the first to see it. And please do well to give my video a thumbs up if you like it. Thank you for stopping by. So for feeding cornrow, it is very advisable that when you want to do a feeding cornrow, because you don't want to ruin your client's edges, the first thing you want to do is to ensure that you braid first with the client's natural hair, like I'm doing now. You braid the client's natural hair first before you start feeding in your extensions, if that makes sense. Like so. I've already done that. I've braided at least once the client's hair before I started feeding in the extensions. Guys, this video is very self-explanatory. Watch closely, you would understand. Keep watching, guys.